Today I'm going to talk about Leyard TVF Series of LED walls. TVF is a 27-inch cabinet that comes in 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5 millimeter pixel pitch. It is built in a 16:9 aspect ratio. It is a stackable LED cabinet, allowing for zero cabinet-to-cabinet cabling. Since the connectors for both signal and power are built into the cabinets of TVF, no cabling is necessary, making installs quick and efficient. TVF is also a slim profile, under 3 inches, making it suitable for very low depth installs and recessed applications. Another great feature about TVF is its front install and front service, allowing for access to any of the components within TVF within minutes. You can find more about TVF at Leyard.com.